Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Edge Mobile updated and signed into your Microsoft account. Open Edge settings, look for extensions or developer features, and enable extension access. This unlocks the installation flow. Once done, go to the browser menu, select Extensions, then tap Install or Browse Extensions to begin. You're preparing the environment so installations proceed without permission issues, and syncing makes sure any extension preferences carry over to other devices. Now you install and configure. Locate your desired extension in Edge add-ons, or, if sideloading, follow clear steps to load the package safely. Tap Install, then review and accept necessary permissions. Make sure you understand why each permission is requested. After installation, open the Extensions options to set site access, enable or disable background activity, and tweak notifications. Once configured, test the extension on a few pages to confirm behavior and fine-tune settings for performance. To finish, verify the extension runs as expected. Open relevant pages and exercise its features. If something fails, restart Edge or your device first. This often fixes runtime glitches. If that doesn't help, clear site data for the page or reinstall the extension to reset state. Make sure permission toggles and account sync are correct so settings persist across sessions. If an extension still misbehaves, disable other extensions temporarily to isolate conflicts. That single troubleshooting tip resolves many complex problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.